So comparing the new Emmo knock versus the Koogo comparison video. I had to do this because when I saw this online, I was like, what are you doing, Emmo? It's like the same as a Koogo. It's not. As you can see side by side, this one is definitely bigger. Like I said, I'm 5'3". I have, it's a lower seat, and it's just smaller all around. Distance from the front of the seat to the handlebars. Handlebars hold closer together. Everything about it is a little bit smaller. And without seeing them side by side, you'd never know online what the size difference is. I mean, they have dimensions, but really, can you put that together? So there is, it just matters what works for you. But this one does come in a 32 amp hour lead acid. So you don't have to spend so much money on a lithium to get that distance between 50 and 70. So that's a huge bonus on this one. 72 volt versus 84 volt. You get this in a 20 amp hour lead acid. This will have 6 batteries. This will have 7. So this will be heavier all around. But you can see it's more substantial in every way. So yeah, side by side, that helps, eh? Component-wise, they're almost identical. This doesn't have a radio or cruise control. Oh, I lied, it does. This one has cruise control, no radio though, yeah. So yeah, good side by side. Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.